Good morning, students. Today we will do some other constructions of triangles. Here, a triangle is unique if two sides and included angle is given, three sides are given, two angles and included side is given, and in a right triangle, hypotenuse and one side is given. Come to exercise 11.2. Take question number 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 75 degree, and AB plus AC equal to 13 cm. Here, draw a line segment BC equal to 7 cm. This center B, draw an angle of 75 degree. This center B and radius 13 cm, cut an arc on ray BX. Say it is B. Join CD. Draw perpendicular bisector of CD. This center C and radius more than half of CD. Draw two arcs on either side of CD. Now with center D and same radius, cut these two arcs. Name these points as YZ. Join YZ. This line YZ intersect ray BX at A. Join AC. Then ABC is a required triangle. Now come to next question. Question number 2. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 cm, angle B equal to 45 degree, and AB minus AC equal to 3.5 centimeter. Here draw a line segment BC equal to 8 centimeter. From B, draw an angle of 45 degree. Here angle X BC equal to 45 degree. Now with center B and radius 3.5 centimeter, cut an arc on ray BX somewhere, write it D. Join CD. Now draw perpendicular bisector of CD. YZ. Join YZ and produce to meet BX somewhere. Let ray BX and line YZ intersect at E. Join AC. Then ABC is the required triangle. Now come to next question. Question number 3. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR equal to 6 centimeter, angle Q equal to 60 degree, and PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. Here draw a line segment QR equal to 6 centimeter. From Q, draw an angle of 60 degree. Here angle XQR equal to 60 degree. Produce XQ 2Y with center Q and radius 2 centimeter. Draw an arc intersecting ray QY at D. Join DR. Draw perpendicular bisector of DR. Take it YZ. Join YZ. Intersecting ray QX at P. join PR. Then EQR is the required triangle. Now come to next question. Here question number 4. It is not in your syllabus. So come to question number 5. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. For this, draw BC equal to 12 centimeter. From B, draw an angle of 90 degree. Is center B and radius 18 centimeter. Cut an arc on BX intersecting ray BX at D. Join CD. Draw perpendicular bisector of CD. Let point of intersection be YZ. Join YZ intersecting ray BX at A. Join AC. Then ABC is the required right triangle. Thank you.